So when the mortgage payment is higher than the rental payment, the existing renters will stay in the rental market until the home price gets to their level of affordability. For example, hi everyone! Have you seen a decrease in home prices in a few real estate markets like Phoenix, Las Vegas, Austin, and many more in the last couple of months? What caused the home price corrections and how can you build wealth in 2023? What steps you can take now to prepare for this opportunity of our lifetime? If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. My name is Corianne and I am a real estate investor since 2001. I make videos to share my real estate investment journey that got me to be financial independent after 8 years of investing in cash flow properties. Hope to inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so you too can achieve your financial independence, build a legacy, and make an impact on the people around you. What caused the home price corrections? Here are the common causes of home price corrections. The number one is home price correction can occur after a period of rapid price growth, which may have been fueled by speculations or housing bubble. When home prices become too high relative to household incomes, affordability becomes an issue and demand for home price decrease. This can lead to a decrease in prices as sellers reduce their asking price to attract buyers. For example, let's say that in particular city, the median household income is about $60,000 per year, and the median household price is about $500,000. This means that the median home price is more than 8 times the median household income. If the cost of the home continue to rise while the household incomes remain relatively stagnant, more and more potential home buyers will find themselves unable to afford to purchase a home. This can lead to a decrease in demand for homes and fewer people are able to buy them. As demand decreases, sellers may need to lower their asking price in order to find buyers. If this trend continues, it can eventually lead to a decrease in home price overall. So overall, when home prices become too high relatively to the household income, it can create an affordability issue and impact the real estate market. The cause number two is home price correction can also be occurred due to the external factors such as recessions or the economic downturn, which can lead to job losses, decreased consumer confidence, and decrease in demand for housing. Additionally, changes in the interest rate can affect the affordability of homes, which can impact demand and prices. We are experiencing the interest rate have increased a bit since last year. In February 2022, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate was about 2.5% to 3%, and now we are at 6 to 7%. The borrowing money cost is double today compared to a year ago. So when the mortgage payment is higher than the rental payment, the existing renters will stay in the rental market until the home price gets to their level of affordability. For example, when renters pay $2,000 per month to rent versus paying $3,000 per month on their mortgage payment when they buy, is a 50% jump on their housing expense. Then they will not want to buy until the mortgage payment go down closer to the level of what they are currently paying for rent. How can you build wealth during the home price correction in 2023 and beyond? There will be some properties selling below market value because sellers want to sell them fast due to some economic financial reasons or the property physical conditions. You can invest in properties at discount prices. Therefore, you will require less capital to invest, and that yields a higher return on your money. Here is an actual example. There was a property in Austin listed for $430,000 in June 2022, and it was brought to me by a wholesale investor at $255,000 in December 22. After it could not sell for 6 months, I shared this project with my older son, and he wanted to invest in this project and capture the built-in equity of $80,000 to $100,000 after putting in $10,000 for the make ready before having rented. As of this recording, the home price in this area is at about between $340,000 to $400,000. It is a newer build home and 7 minutes drive to the Tesla Gigafactory. It also gets rented to a professional couple. I anticipate seeing more of this property like this one available to invest in the months ahead. Here are 7 steps that you can prepare now to build wealth in real estate. Step number 1 is keep your eyes on the long-term goals. When home prices start to correct, it can be easy to get caught up in short-term panic. However, it's important to remember that real estate is a long-term investment. Keep your eyes on the long-term goal of building wealth through real estate. Number 2 is evaluate your current financial situation. Take a closer look at your current financial situation and determine how much you can realistically afford to invest in real estate during a corrections. This may require you to adjust your budget or saving plans. Should you get an investment loan pre-approval? Now to know how much you can borrow based on your current financial situation. Number 3, research the market. Conduct thoroughly research on your target real estate market. Look for areas that are likely to experience a rebound in prices and areas that are likely to remain stagnant. Number 4, be patient. Corrections can take time to play out. It's important to be patient and wait for the right opportunity to present themselves. One real estate market can correct its price in a year, and another real estate market may take a few years. Number 5, focus on cash flow. This is important one. During a corrections, it's important to focus on property that generate positive cash flow. This will help you weather any downturns in the market and provide a source of income to reinvest in your portfolio. Number 6, consider alternative strategies. During the corrections, it may be necessary to consider alternative strategies, such as flipping properties to accumulate cash flow to build long-term wealth for the buy and hold real estate bucket, or to have cash reserved to weather all the economic turbulence. Number 7, work with specialists. Real estate investing can be complex, especially during corrections. Consider working with specialists such as REO real estate agents, short sale real estate agents, real estate wholesalers, or a small bank asset managers who can bring a lot of great discount properties to you to invest. You would have a lot of projects to choose from. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this content, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly share this video with your friends and family who can benefit from it. Your support is helped my channel out a lot. Thank you for doing it. Share with me in the comment below. Have you invested in distressed properties or a property below market value or the property that bank own? Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!